today class discuss about the classification of molecules. A molecules may contain the atoms of the same element or may contain the atoms of two or more elements joined in a fixed ratio in accordance with the law of definite proportions. Thus, a molecule may be an element or a compound. If the molecule is made up of the similar kind of atoms, that is called homoatomic molecules. The molecules consist the atoms different element is called heteroatomic molecules. Homo means same and hetero means different. Then a compound is a heteroatomic molecules. The number of atoms present in the molecules is called atomicity. Classification of molecules. Then atomicity is number of 1. Then the number of atoms is present 1. That is called monoatomic molecules. Then atomicity is 2. The number of atoms present 2. That is called diatomic molecules. Then atomicity is 3 and the number of atoms is 3. That is called triatomic molecules. Then greater than the 3, that is called polyatomic molecules. First one is the Cl. The number of atoms is 1. Then the atomicity also 1. That is a monoatomic molecules. The another one is the O2. The number of atoms is 2. That is called diatomic molecules. Then CO2. Then the number of atoms is C1 and O2 2. So number of atoms 3. That is a triatomic molecules. Last one NH3. So number of atoms is nitrogen 1 and the hydrogen 3. So greater than 3. That is called examples of polyatomic molecules. Let us consider the oxygen. Oxygen gas exists the two allotropic forms. That is oxygen and another one is the ozone. In oxygen molecules there are the two oxygen atoms. So atomicity is 2. Since both atoms are similar, so that is a homodiatomic molecules. Homo means same. In other elements that exist diatomic molecules are hydrogen, H and H. So both atoms is same. That is also homodiatomic molecules. Then nitrogen is also the homodiatomic molecules. Fluorine, F2, then chlorine, bromine and iodine. That is all of example of homodiatomic molecules. The oxygen is example for homodiatomic molecules. Homo means same. Then number of oxygen is present 2. So di. So that is the example of homodiatomic molecules. Then ozone contains the 3 oxygen atoms. Hence it is called homo triatomic molecules. Tri means 3. If the molecules contain more than 3 atoms, then it is called polyatomic molecules. So oxygen is the homodiatomic molecules and ozone is the homo triatomic molecules. And consider the hydrogen chloride. It consists the 2 atoms. One is hydrogen and another one is the chlorine. But that is different elements attached. So atomicity is 2. That is hydrogen 1 and Cl 1. But the different atoms attached. So that is called heterodiatomic molecules. Similarly, the water molecules contain 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. The molecular formula of water H2O. First one is hydrogen chlorides. That is hydrogen. Then chlorine. But both is different atoms. So that is an example of hetero. diatomic molecules. And another example of water, that is hydrogen and oxygen has presence, but number of hydrogen is 2 and the number of oxygen is 1. So triatomic molecules. Atomicity is nothing but then which number attached to the below the atoms, which there is no number is attached to the below the atoms, then 1. Suppose the example of hydrogen chloride is hydrogen number of atoms 1 and Cl number of atoms 1. That is the heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different molecules attached. First one is a hydrogen chloride. So the different molecules, one is hydrogen, the another one is a chlorine. Then the heterodiatomic molecules. Then another example is triatomic molecules. So number of hydrogen 2 and number of oxygen 1. So total number of 3. So that is the triatomic molecules. Identify the following molecules based on their atomicity and fill in the tables. Atomicity is nothing but which number attached to the atoms in below. Suppose in fluorine atoms F2. So the 2 is attached below these atoms. So the number of atomicity is 2. Then that is the homodiatomic molecules, because homo means same. The fluorine attached to the same fluorines. So that is the example of homodiatomic molecules. Then the table is followed there. The molecules classified in diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. First one is example of diatomic molecules. That is homodiatomic molecules, because 2 fluorine atom attached. That is the same atoms. Then another examples of heterodiatomic molecules. Hetero means different atoms attached. That is the Hi and CO. Both of the atoms, different atoms attached. That is the example of heterodiatomic molecules. Then another one is the heterotriatomic molecules. Hetero means carbon and oxygen attached. Then tri means carbon atoms 1 and oxygen atoms 2. So total number of 3. So that is the example of heterotriatomic molecules. Then another one is the homopolyatomic molecules. Poly means greater than the 3 number of atoms. That is the example of P4 and S8. Homo means same atoms. So that is the homopolyatomic molecules. Then another example of heteropolyatomic molecules. Hetero means difference. The first one is NH3. That is the nitrogen and the hydrogen atoms attached. So different atom attached. So that is the hetero. Then number of atoms attached, nitrogen 1 and hydrogen 3. So greater than the 3. So that is the heteropolyatomic molecules. And also example of methane and sulfuric acid.